kayo? Ayan, supposedly po, in behalf of our dear VP for Operations, no, she would like to send her best regards and love for everyone. No, it's just that nagkaroon lang po siya ng emergency na kailangan niyang unahin. So I'll have to cover for her for tonight. I hope, no, and I pray na mabigyan ko ng justice ang napakagandang topic na naka-assign sa kanya. Opportunity, trends, trendsetter, and challenges. So, syempre, before anything else, I'd like to give all the glory back to our Lord Jesus Christ, no, for allowing us to have this online event, one of the most awaited events here in LLIC that we do every fourth day of the month. No? So, April 4 ngayon. Bakit po ginawa yan? Dahil we are on our way to fourth year. Yan. So, si LLIC magkakaroon na ng fourth year anniversary celebration. Okay, so, syempre, before ko din ituloy, I'd like to acknowledge all our dear BODs, all my co-employees, at salamat sa aking kasama ngayon, no, na si Mr. James Balete, one of our STM supervisors, assigned for NCR, at siyempre si Daniel Nakar, our STM Interactive Officer. Ayan. At kasama ko rin dito sa office ang ating logistics team. Hi, Bok. Hi, Rolly. At siyempre si Da, yung cashier natin, mukhang nandito pa. Ayan. So, mangilan-ngilan na lang tayo rito. At sa mga wala, no, absent ngayon ay si Norbert, naka-leave po siya. And si MJ, pag-pray natin dahil naka-sick leave naman po siya. At syempre, we would like to also acknowledge all our dear distributors worldwide, our business partners, GUV Family, AOG, Elite Worldwide, and Elite International, at sa lahat ng mga bagong teams. Thank you for tuning in. As of now, we have 3,500 viewers. Yan, grabe. Ang dami, ha? So, tumitrending na ba tayo? Yung pa naman ang topic natin. Okay? So, again, thank you so much, James. So, I'll start with my topic with some questions. Ayan, handa na ba tayo sa mga tanong? So, pasensya na, medyo nagkukonting malat-malat tayo dahil mula umaga, alas 7 na umaga, nandito na kami, coding kasi ko. Nagsasalita na po ako hanggang sa last segundo. Before ako ipasok ni James, nagsasalita na pa rin ako. So, please bear with me dahil sama-sama natin, no, i-savor ang napakagandang topic. No, it's all about opportunity, trends, trendsetter, challenges. So like I've mentioned earlier, I have some few questions. Una, nandiyan na ba sila? Ayan, paramdam kayo ha. We are 4,000! Ngayon, nakupadamihin nyo. Oh my gosh! Padamihin nyo po. Dahil excited tayong i-share itong mga very informative messages, no, na ihatid na ngayong gabi. So, my first question is, dear LLIC family and all our first-timers out there, no, if you're listening, do you believe that LLIC is a trendsetter? Ayan. LLIC ba ay trendsetter? Please type yes. Type yes naman dyan. Pwede bang guluhin natin? Yanigin natin ang ating message board. Type yes if you believe that LLIC is a trendsetter. Ayan, patingin nga ng mga messages kung talagang nakikinig. Parang wala pa ako nakikita mga bagong messages. Puro mga name lang. Type yes if you're watching. Nasa na yung, 41,000 na tayo ngayon. Ayan, naku, nakakatuwa. Sumagot na si Ma'am L. Jane Lieda. Sabi, yes! Si Ma'am Melody Cueto, Sir Dolans, Ma'am Minda, Ma'am Vilma, Ma'am Mirna, Tamba, Ma'am Marisa, J.A. De Los Santos is watching. Pati yun, nabasa ko talaga. At napakaraming nag-yes. Hello, hello, hello. Uy! Hello po, OKCC, Sir Virgil. Talagang nag-ano ako, shout out. Kasi nakakatuwa dahil nalalaman natin, di ba, James, nakikipag-communicate sa atin ng ating mga online viewers, of course, our dear distributors worldwide, si Ma'am Elva, Ma'am Cheryl, Ma'am Vet tuloy, Ma'am Beth, si 104, ang ganda ng name, no? Si Ma'am Rona, Ma'am Lorena Tan, hi Ma'am Ina, Sir Ulysses, hello, hello, hello. So before I move on, I'd like to first, syempre, greet, no, today is a special day. Greet one of our managers sa TFI, ang ating TPC Foundation Inc., Ma'am Marisa Reliosa Fevidal. Happy, happy birthday po, ma'am. God bless you more. Ayan, so, thank you so much for answering yes. So, dear LLIC family, if you answered yes, then you believed that you, our dear business partners, dear distributors worldwide, you are also trendsetters. So reply naman kayo dyan, I am a trendsetter. Sagot naman, I am a trendsetter. Sige, paapuyin natin yung ating message board. I am a trendsetter. Ayan, hindi pa nakamove on yung iba, puro yes pa rin ang sagot. So, type naman natin, I am a trendsetter, sabi ni Ma'am Maria Fe. Petaliana, hello Ma'am GM, hello din po. Sagot naman tayo. If you believe that LLIC is a trendsetter, therefore, I conclude, you also believe that you are a trendsetter. So, type naman. Trendsetter po ha, trend. Yung iba nakikinig lang, wrong spelling. I am a trend setter. Ayun. So, thank you po. Ang daming mga sumagot. Meron pa dito, I am a great setter. Sir, trend setter po. Okay. So, mamaya i-define natin ano ba yung trend, ano ba yon. Okay. So, let me continue. Thank you so much for answering. Kasi again, in all our meetings, online, offline, and even events, there should always be a two-way communication. Aside from me being the speaker, kayo rin po, no? Kailangan sumasagot din for me to know, no, if we have viewers. So we are now 43,000. Thank you, Lord. Dumadami na po tayo. So, padamihin pa natin at i-share natin. Sabi ni Ma'am Fe Corpus, yes, I am a trendsetter. Sabi ni Ma'am Let Espina, I am a trendsetter. Sabi ni Ma'am Emmy Liabo Piamonte, I am a trendsetter. Oh, si Ma'am Vilma, I am a trendsetter. Ma'am Rona Espera, I am a trendsetter. Ma'am Mirna Tamba, yes, I am a trendsetter. Sir Tenfor, I am a trendsetter. Thank you. And I can always say I am proud to be a trendsetter dito po sa Luluran International Corporation because our company is a legit trendsetter. Why do we say that? You know, because here in LIC, no, we carry the latest trends in the skincare beauty industry. And we have the most competitive comp plan in the MLM or direct selling industry. We are assured of a great future here in LLIC. Currently, we are implementing exciting innovations to help increase profitability not only for the company but also for you, dear distributors, and to provide customer satisfactions. Customer satisfaction for all our clients out there. Okay? So, ano po ba? What is opportunity? Because that's the main topic that we also have today. Ano bang definition ng opportunity? Ano ba ang business opportunity? Okay, opportunity is a good position, chance, or prospect as for advancement or success. So kapag may opportunity po na ino-offer sa atin at i-offer natin sa iba, ibig sabihin we are providing them no a chance and a chance for advancement no para maging successful sila. And that's what we offer, no? A great opportunity. So sa LLIC, meron tayong napakagandang business opportunity. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng business opportunity? It is an idea or a set of circumstances that make it possible to create and develop profitable and sustainable business. So this opportunity can arise in different ways, such as from market need. Ano ba ang need ng market ngayon? Especially ngayong season, summer. Anong need? Siyempre, dapat may sunblock ka. So pagdating sa sunblock, si LLIC, we set the trend. Tayo lang po yung hello, nawala ako. Sorry yan. Narinig pa ba ako? Ayan, yan. So thank you. Sorry, nag-alarm yung phone ko. Sabi 7:45 na daw. Tama ba yung oras? Nalito tuloy ako bigla. Okay. So again, we set the trend. Going back to Daily Sunblock Whitening Cream, we are the only sunblock cream na merong vitamin E, may whitening, meron pa siyang meron siyang anti-pollution protection. Napakaganda yan, wala kayong makikita sa iba niyan na ganong combination. Talagang exclusively formulated for LLIC. Why? Because we set the trend. Meron pong tumawag sa akin noon, Ma'am, bakit po usong-uso po kasi yung sunscreen na term? Bakit yung sa atin sunblock? Hindi po, parang ayaw ng client ko. Ma'am, ganito po explanation dyan. Hindi po tayo sumusunod lang sa trend. Tayo po yung nagsiset ng trend. Okay? Ano po ang ibig sabihin ng sunscreen? From the name itself, pag sinabing sunscreen, anong screen? Di ba butas-butas siya? Pag sunscreen yung ginamit natin, tatagos pa rin yung UVA, UVB rays ng sun. Pag sinabing sunblock, it blocks the UVA, UVB rays. So in short, hindi po magkakaroon ng melasma si client. Protected po yung kanyang skin from head to toes. Kasi ganyan po kaganda yung ating DSWC, yung ating Daily Sunblock Whitening Cream. 'Di ba? Kasi pwede siyang gamitin mula ulo hanggang paa. Okay? So again, in short, we set the trend. 'Di ba? Ganun po kaganda. So again, we offer a very good business opportunity. That's why here in LLIC, we make sure that we offer the best among the rest. So for being the best in what we do currently, LLIC has international distributors in 32 countries globally. Yan. And very soon, we will be available across the Middle East. So nakikita nyo ba? Nakikita nyo po ba kung gaano kadami na yung ating mga international distributors na nandito po sa mga countries na ito? So basahin ko lang. We have international distributors in Australia, Bahrain, Canada, Cayman Island, China, Cyprus, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Iraq, Ireland, Italy, ayan. Meron tayong fresh na MPP dyan sa Italy, Japan, Jordan, Kuwait, Malaysia, Monaco, New Zealand, Norway, Oman, Papua New Guinea, at syempre, ang bansa natin ng Pilipinas, Qatar, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Korea, Switzerland, Taiwan, UAE, United Kingdom, USA. Wow! Ganun po kadami yung na-reach natin countries with all our international distributors. Nandito na rin ba si Hong Kong? Parang hindi ko nabasa si Hong Kong. Nandito ba? Parang nandito ba? Ayun, nga pala, sorry naman. Nasa letter H pala siya. Kasi may bago po tayong office sa Hong Kong, courtesy of our Queen Elise, King and Queen Elise, di ba? Congratulations naman dyan, kaway-kaway naman if you're watching. Oh my gosh, 50,000 na po tayo na nanonood ngayon. So keep on sharing our, our link para naman umabot tayo ng 100,000. Carry ba yon? Carry ba yon ng mga taga-LLIC? If you set the trend, you have to prove it. Diba? Dapat trendsetter nga di ba? Okay. So, With that, no, before we move on, let us define our topic for tonight. One of our topics for tonight is the word trend. Ano po ba ang trend? What is trend? A trend is what's hip or popular at a certain point in time. No? So katulad nga pag summer, ano po yung trending? Ang trending halo-halo, ice cream, yan, mga milkshake, 'di ba? So kay LLIC, ano naman ang trending? Syempre, nandiyan yung ating Instant Magic Whitening Body Lotion at meron tayong Daily Sunblock Whitening Cream. Again, yung mga nilolaunch po natin ng mga produkto, yun po ang nagsiset ng trend. Tayo lang po, yung legit, ha, na pag pinahid mo yung lotion, instantly puti na. And as you use it daily, wow, ang sarap. Puputi ka talaga. Ganon siya kaganda. Therefore, we set the trend. Diba? So, dear LLIC distributors, be proud of your company. Be proud of your products. Palagi nating sinasabi, rinig natin sa ating mga magagaling na online speakers dyan, yung mga scholars, no, ng ating GUV team, ng LLIC, yan, ang, ang gagaling nila mag-talk and sabi nila, be the product of your product, 'di ba? So, ganyan po ang mga members ng LLIC. Okay? So, again, according to, let me share to you, no, one study, according to Exploring Topics 2024, more than 65% of consumers are looking for environment, environmentally friendly brands. 65%, take note ha. Then, 55% are willing to pay more for sustainable products. So, ano ba yun? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng environment-friendly processes? Okay? Environment-friendly processes also referred to as an eco-friendly, nature-friendly, and green. Di ba? So, these are sustainability and marketing terms referring to goods and services naman. Kaya kung i-gauge po yung mga clients natin out there, no, yung market, mas na-appreciate po nila yung mga produkto that gives high quality at the same time, ito po yung environmentally friendly, eco-friendly, safe. Wala pong chemicals, walang alcohol, at yan po yung makikita nyo dito sa LLIC. Okay? We offer natural, organic, premium skincare beauty products. Yan, hindi ba? So lahat ng mga members ni LLIC can attest to this. Na yung produkto po natin, no, kapag pinahid nyo, from cleansing foam pa lang, no, once you spread that on your face, yung creamy foam niya, ang sarap niya, no, lather, pag nilather natin niya sa ating facial skin, sobrang soft niya. And then after that, meron ka ng, instant lift effect, no? Ang ganda, wala kang mararamdaman, no, na parang mahapdi o matapang sa skin, wala ka pong maamoy na chemicals. Okay? So ganun siya kaganda. Then you use toner, wala kang maamoy na alcohol. As if you're using what? A nice water that really freshens, no, our skin. Ang sarap niyang gamitin. So again, tayo lang yung may toner na ganun. Humanap po kayo, no, ng toner na pag ginamit mo wala kang nararamdamang hapde pero lilinis yung facial skin mo. Tayo lang meron nun. Therefore, we set the trend. Diba? Ano pa? Meron tayong Liquid 24K Gold Serum na hit ngayon, tumitrending. Kaya nga po, 'di ba? Nung mabigyan ko si Miss Carmi Martin after our ABS-CBN Christian Fellowship 2 weeks ago, no? Nabigyan ko po siya ng ating Liquid 24K Gold Serum. Aba, overnight niya lang ginamit. Alam niyo pong nangyari, sabi niya sa akin, nung malocate niya ako after 1 week, kasi hinahagilap niya na ako kay Ma'am Linggitan, no, one of the executives of ABS-CBN. Sino yung nagbigay sa akin noon? Sabi niya ganon. Nalimutan niya yung pangalan ko. So binigyan ni Ma'am Linggitan, si Nina yon, no, from Lurluran. And then, no, when we talked via Zoom, sabi niya, Ninya, I loved your Liquid 24K Gold Serum. Grabe. I've tried other products pero kakaiba. Why? No, ginamit niya po sa neck part niya at syempre sa kanyang face. And nagulat siya, no, kinabukasan, ang ganda-ganda ng pagkakatight, no, nung kanyang facial skin up to neck. So sabi niya, oh my gosh, I have so many friends who are looking for the best serum at eto na yung i-offer ko. So grabe, di ba? It's so nice to hear things like that because it only proves that LLIC really sets the trend. Galing, no? Nakaka-proud. No? Anong nararamdaman nyo ngayon? Dear LLIC distributors, if you if you get to talk more about our products, grabe, you will feel the goosebumps. No, you will be more proud about what you offer to the market. So in short, hindi ka lang basta-basta nagbebenta, but you offer a product that is really of high quality. 'Di ba? Ganun po siya kaganda. What else? We have our intense whitening cream na talagang sobrang gandang moisturizer. Eto, meron po akong mga kakilala gumamit nung mga, alam niyo yun, paggamit nila ay biglang nagbabalat-balat. Inapproach ako, sabing ganun, Miss Nia, pwede bang magamit yung inyong moisturizer? Kasi nasasaktan ako, nagbabakbak yung mukha ko, may ginamit ako ibang brand. Ako, sabi ko, ma'am, sorry. No, you cannot use LLIC products kapag may ibang brand kayong ginamit kasi we don't know what will be the reaction. Baka mamaya sisihin pa yung produkto ni LLIC, di ba? So, kapag sinabing intense whitening cream, no, ni LLIC, sobrang legit na moisturizer. Talagang you feel hydrated all throughout, maski na summer. Ganyan po siya kaganda. Okay? And then, of course, isa sa mga favorites ko ngayon, tag-init, ang Daily Sunblock Whitening Cream. So, tandaan natin, no? Ang ating mga produkto, no, talagang organic yung kanyang mga ingredients. Okay? So may percentage, say 99% organic kasi hindi tayo naghahalo ng mga chemicals dyan. Okay? Not heavy on chemicals. And of course, we have our White and Wrinkle Spot Cream, our anti-aging. Yan ang napakaganda talagang. Ito, nag-set ng bar. Sobrang taas na, no, ng expectations ko kapag nagtatry ako, no, syempre kapag ako nag-R&D research and development sa lahat ng produkto ni LLIC. So, when I try other products, syempre gusto ko, kailangan, no, ma-reach nila yung sinet na bar natin kay White and Wrinkle Spot Cream. So far, wala pa pong nakakapantay or nakaka-reach man ng 80%. Sorry, we set the trend, di ba? So bakit ganito si GM? Bakit ganito siya ka-confident? Because I've tried the products. Try ko no? Kaya ganito akong magsalita. I have full conviction, 100%. Kapag ka merong first, ayan, kanina lang actually, ka-Viber ko siya. Sabi niya, Ma'am, ang tagal ko nang hinahanap to White and Wrinkle Spot Cream. Yun daw ang request ng kanyang biyenan. Kailan niyo po nabalitaan itong White and Wrinkle Spot Cream? Meron daw pong nabilhan, no, na isang member natin, kaso hindi na po makontak. Hindi rin maalala kung anong pangalan. Naku, yan ang sinasabi ko Alam niyo po, dear LLIC distributors, you have to have a list. Listahan. Ayan, listahan, no, ng lahat ng mga clients nyo. Lagay nyo po sa inyong planner o kaya sa inyong mga notepads. Ganito, ayan, look at this. I have my 365 weekly notepad or notebook. na dito lahat nakasulat, yung mga clients ninyo, ilan yung in-order niya, phone number niya, para makalimutan man niya kayo, you can always do follow-up. Wala pong tatalo sa power ng follow-up. So alam nyo, nagpe-place siya ng order. Okay? So, 'di ba? So, sa halip na magre-reorder ulit sa inyo, hindi ka na niya maalala, paano gagawin natin diyan, 'di ba? So, white and wrinkle spot cream hinahanap-hanap. Okay? Once matry yan ng kahit sino, no? I can confidently say they will look for our products no matter what. Okay, what else? BB cream. Syempre, the best foundation of all. Ang kagandahan din sa BB cream natin, pwede rin siyang primer. Yan. Instead of using yung mga highly chemical, kung nag-alarm na naman. Nawala ulit ako. Hello? Nandiyan pa ako, sorry. Nag-alarm na naman. Sabi ng alarm ko, drink water. Sorry. Pwede bang mag-drink water ako? Okay lang, Sandali lang. Yan ang kaigihan na may alarm. Sinet ko yung phone ko, naka-alarm siya, kailangan ko mag-drink ng water, sabi ni Doc. Okay, so we are 52,000 no, dito sa ating FB Live. And next, we have our favorite din, ang ating sheet mask. So you have to always use our collagen essence white and wrinkle sheet mask. Napakaganda sa skin. And advisable ito i-use every other day. Napakaganda po niyan. And our one and only food supplement, syempre yung ating Esther Bioscience. Glutathione with collagen drink mix. So, inumin natin yan. Again, napakagandang combination. We again set the trend. Excuse me. So, pagsamahin mo yung glutathione plus collagen, anong itsura mo? Sobrang ganda mo. At sobrang healthy mo pa. And last but definitely not the least, our Instamagic Whitening Body Lotion. Na talaga namang masasabi mo, oo nga no, grabe ang gaganda ng produkto ni LLIC. Talagang trendsetters yung produkto natin. Okay? So, naka-amaze no, yung ating mga produkto. So, we are proud to say that we are FDA and halal approved. Okay? So, proud tayong sabihin yan paulit-ulit kahit magsawa pa yung mga naririnig. Bakit? Hindi po lahat ng produkto ay na-awardan ng halal certification. It means na very clean po yung mga ingredients at yung pagkakagawa ng mga produkto natin. In fact, no, we just acquired and we just passed the Saudi FDA. Yes! Tama yung narinig nyo. No, we acquired Saudi FDA. Diba? To God be all the glory. Okay. So, move on tayo sa next topic natin. Siyempre, again, nasa mundo tayo ng, we're talking about trend. Ano bang trending ngayon? Aba, ito yung topic ni Direct Jill, GUB Director Jill, the other month, di ba? Okay, it's all about digital marketing. So let us refresh everyone. Ano ba yung digital marketing? Siyempre, kapag sinabi mong trendsetter ang company mo, aba, dapat, no, gumagamit ka nito. Kung sinasabi mong trendsetter ka as an LLIC distributor, dapat, no, nandito ka na, nagdi-digital marketing ka na. So thank you to 55,000 na tayo ngayon. Thank you. Keep sharing our link para mas marami pa kayong knowledge na makuha ngayong gabi. Okay. So what is e-commerce? Yan po ay parte no ng digital marketing. So let us share to you. So it's an electronic commerce or e-commerce refers to companies and individuals that buy and sell goods and services over the internet. Okay? So yun po yun, no, yung e-commerce. It also operates in different types of market segments and can be conducted over computers, tablets, smartphones, and other smart devices. Ganun po, no, ka-powerful ang e-commerce. Meaning, we can also reach out people worldwide, no, at napakabilis. sobrang fast, no? So just to, again, review, ano po ba yung mga types ng e-commerce? Okay? Ayan, so move natin yung slide. Ayan. Ayun, so na-delay ng konti yung slide. Nasabi ko na yan. Ayun, so next natin, please. Ano ba yung types ng e-commerce? Okay, so types of sorry, pabalik natin. Ako pala magsasabi. Types ng e-commerce natin, meron tayong apat na types of e-commerce. Okay? Business to business, B2B, business to consumer. Ano yung B2B? Yun nga po 'yon. Kapag may negosyo ka, no, nakikipag-collab ka sa isang may kanegosyo rin. Okay? Halimbawa, meron kang kliyente, inaay mo. Ang produkto niya, let's say mga gadgets, 'di ba? Ano bang advantage natin? 'Di ba? Lahat ng tao na nagbebenta merong face. So lahat market mo. Pero hindi lahat ng tao gusto ng gadgets, 'di ba? So, 'yun ang kagandahan, 'di ba? Dahil you can offer no to another business person our business, 'di ba? So nagkakaroon din ng partnership B2B. Halimbawa, itong nangyayari ngayon via LBC, DHL, yan, nakikipag-partner ka sa another business na makakatulong sa business natin. Di ba? Okay, business to consumer. Ayan, eto naman, negosyante tayo, directly tayo nakikipag-communicate with our customers, consumers, di ba? Now, meron din yan sa online, consumer to consumer. Nagchichikahan sila, nag-uusap sila. Uy, maganda ba yan? Maganda yung produkto, trending ba? Di ba? And then, consumer to business. Si client, sila yung nag-approach sa atin. Pareho no, nag-Viber sa akin kanina. Di ba? Si client yung nag-approach sa business. Okay? So, puntahan naman natin ang isa din sa mga trending, ang social media. Ayan. Social media can help your business to attract customers. Therefore, we need to get customers' feedback, build customer rapport, loyalty, and allows a wider reach and easier access for potential customers and results. Ganyan ka-powerful po ang social media. No? So, kailangan we make sure no, na dito sa negosyo natin, hindi pwedeng maiwan ang mundo ng social media. Kapag ikaw ay nagnenegosyo ngayon at wala ka pang digital marketing, wala ka pang social media, nako, sayang ang produkto mo. Baka matenga yan sa warehouse mo. 'Di ba? So it's very important. That's why no si LLIC pwedeng yung ma-visit yung website natin, yung ating FB page, lahat ng mga social media channels natin, IG, TikTok, Twitter, meron din po tayo, Reels, meron din tayo via FB, no? Nakikita nyo to, yung mga pinupost namin. Okay, we have our morning, evening routine, we have our users, may mga nagbibigay ng reviews nila about our products and very satisfied sila. And recently, di ba, through social media, Miss Carmi Martin just shared how beautiful our products are. Okay, so magbibigay din siya ng reviews after niya magamit yung ibang mga products. Ganun siya ka-powerful. Di ba? So imagine, no, meron akong pinost ko siya an hour ago, biglang 2,000 na, no, yung views niya. At syempre, meron ng mga nagpi-PM, nakaka-amaze, 'di ba? Kasi ganun kalaki yung maitutulong no ng social media sa ating negosyo. Okay? So, syempre, aside from social media, we also have our content marketing. Ano ba tong content marketing, GM? Okay? Content marketing builds customer awareness. Okay? It generates leads and increases conversions with the advancement of the digital age. So dapat i-maximize natin yung presence ng digital age. Kailangan may content ka. Okay, nagdi-digital marketing ka nga, wala ka namang ginagawang mga content. you should always release fresh content. Kaya nga nangungulit sa atin si Meta. 'Di ba? Naglabas ka ng content, kahit anong content 'yan, biglang nagte-trending, 'di ba? So, it allows a wider reach and easier access for potential customers and yung mga prospects natin. Magugulat ka na lang, biglang may nag-PM sa'yo. Yung pala, yun yung hinahanap nilang produkto for so many years, di ba? So, aside from that, let us uh, expound more yung ating content. Can you please move to the next slide? Ayan. Your content should be entertaining. Kailangan nakakapag-entertain. And kailangan nakakapag-educate din. And you should also inspire other people. And you have to convince them. Kailangan may conviction. Hindi yung basta nakapag-share ka lang pero wala lang. Kailangan merong convincing power yung ating i-share, okay? So, again, content marketing builds customer awareness, generates leads, and increases conversations or conversions kapag dating sa hinahanap mong sales. Yung dating nagbabrowse lang nung iyong mga contents, ngayon umu-order na sa'yo. Grabe, di ba? Ganon siya kabilis. So with the advancement of the digital age, content has become an essential part of any marketing strategy. Okay? So, at this point, puntahan na po natin yung mga nagsiset ng trend or trendsetters and influencers. Ayan. So, let me define, ano po ba yung trendsetter? So, trendsetter, ito po yung mga tao or trendsetters are people who lead the way in fashion, in beauty, or sharing their ideas. Kaya ngayon nagte-trending po, 'di ba, yung mga influencers, yung mga brand ambassadors. So, ano pong tawag diyan? Influence marketing or influencer marketing po ang tawag diyan. Okay, so not only does it allow brands to reach a large and engaged audience, but it also helps, to build trust and credibility with consumers na hinahanap natin, 'di ba? And consumers are more likely to trust recommendation from an influencer na talagang marami ng followers and nakikita yung credibility ng mga influencers. Kaya nga talagang nag-trending sila. Bakit? Because they always tell the truth. Dahil actual reviews yun eh. Pagkagamit nila ng product, eto na, sasabihin na nila, ay, ang ganda. Ay, ang lambot. Ay, ang, di ba? Makikita mo agad yung initial reaction. Yung immediate reaction. That's why, now, kapag bumibili tayo ng mga before we buy products online, tinitingnan muna natin yung mga reviews. O sino naman mga nag-review nito? 'Di ba? Doon tayo bibili kapag nakita natin, uy, 'di ba? Pero ang kagandahan din sa mundo natin, dahil people to people tayo, consumer to consumer, didiretso ka kasi user ka din, consumer ka, then you go to your client na consumer din. Nako, ang bilis niyan kasi word of mouth yung gagamitin natin. Okay? But here in LLIC, of course, we maximize that content. Influencer marketing. That's why we have our ambassadress, Miss Emma Mary Tiglao. We have our medical ambassador, sa LLIC, si Dr. Joseph Lee. Hi, Dr. Joseph Lee. Magkakaroon tayo ng opening ng kanyang center sa Binyan, Laguna hopefully by May or June. And we have our online ambassadresses. Ang dami nila, di ba? At yung iba dyan, dating user, naging online ambassador natin. Nakakatuwa. Okay? So, again, maraming salamat dito sa ating mga endorsers, mga users, and the best endorsers of all, alam nyo kung sino? Sige nga, sagot nga. Sino makakahula? Sino pong best endorsers of all? Paki-type nyo nga, please. Sino ang best endorsers of all? Ayan, may sumisigaw dito. Kahit 5 na lang kami. Sino daw? Wow na wow. Sabi, Sabi ni Ma'am Gigi, wow na wow, pag naka-realize ka. Sabi ni Ma'am Gigi, of course tayo. Di ba? Sabi ni Ma'am Gigi, myself. Oo, tama. You are the best endorser. I am the best endorser. Definitely, no, yung mga binibigyan natin, ino-offera natin to try the product, definitely, no, hindi lang sila nag-try dahil na-intriga sila, nag-try sila dahil nakita sa'yo. Uy, ang ganda ng skin mo, Mare. Anong gamit mo ngayon? Di ba? You are the best endorser. That's why, before you offer LLIC products, again, you have to use them first. Samantalahin niyo po, yung nagbibigay kami ng mga sample products for demo, gamitin niyo muna po. Kasi in 2 to 3 days, makikita nyo na agad. Instant effect. Ang ganda-ganda ng skin nyo, ang lambot-lambot, young looking ka. 'Di ba? So, ganun po siya kaganda. Thank you, Ma'am Eva Lamasan, yourself, Annie Galang, Ma'am Nanette Gutierrez, true po. Yan, LLIC family daw, ang the best. Sabi ni Ma'am Adele Oracion, simple lang. The best endorser, Adeline Oracion. Oh, wag ka. Pangalan talaga niya ang nilagay. Thank you, Ma'am Adele. Miss you. Okay, so, malapit na tayong matapos. Yeah, at malapit na rin mawala yung boses ko. Okay. So, next natin. Okay, ano bang slide na tayo? Nawala na tuloy. Ayun, so challenge tayo. So, we talk about challenges. 'Di ba? So, if we want, no, if you want to be online always, if we want to be trending always, we need to embrace challenges. Paano tayo no magki-keep up sa market? Okay? So ang business conditions talaga, they change rapidly and continuously. So we need to keep up with the market. That's why our research and development team headed by yours truly, your LICGM, we never stop on checking out more products that can trend or that can set the trend in the skincare, beauty, health, and wellness industry. Kaya nga, na-announce ko na rin previously that we are launching soon. Malapit na malapit na. Pasensya na kung medyo tumatagal kasi syempre may mga FDA processing pa yan. We will be launching our very own, no, coffee for men. Ayan, magkakaroon din tayo ng healthy coffee that can answer and help alleviate yung mga sakit-sakit at ma-prevent yung mga sakit na katulad ng cancer. Totoo po ito. No, ito yung coffee na merong ayokong i-share yung ingredient. Baka gayahin ng ano, competitor saka na pag nilaunch na natin. So anti-cancer po siya, no, and very good for our heart, for those diabetics, no, dahil ang eto na lang yung major ingredient nito, no, meron po siyang fresh na stevia. Yan. So wala pong mga chemicals. Yung ilo-launch natin na coffee, healthy coffee, coffee for men. Ito yung working title ng Coffee for Men namin, sabi ni VP Santi. No! Pero share ko pa rin. Pampa. Ayun, Pampa. Anong, kayo na magdudugtong. Pampalakas. Yan. Ano ba may sinabi mga GUV kanina eh. At tanungin nyo na sila, ano yung karugtong ng Pampa. Okay. So again, ganun kaganda. Plus, what else? Slimming juice, slimming cranberry, red juice, super, super sarap, no? Tinatry natin yan. So, nawa, no, maging very, actually, try namin siya before Holy Week. Na-try ko siya in a way, no? Nag-lose ako ng konti, kaso ang dami kong nakain ng Holy Week. So, medyo naging chubbiness na naman ako. So, ang bilis lang, no? Pag ininom natin siya sa gabi, talagang, nako, malilinis yung ating tummy. Okay? So, again, it's very important no na ready tayo sa lahat ng mga klase ng challenges. Okay? So, with that, syempre kailangan no yung ating customer relationship management. So, kailangan naalagaan po natin ang ating mga clients. We need to maintain quality relationships with them. You know what? Business success is defined by the ability, okay, to build strong, lasting, okay, customer relationships. Okay? So, isa yan sa mga secrets. Bakit successful ang negosyo? Okay? Kailangan meron tayong strong customer relationships that lead to loyal customers who return to your brand over others to make purchases. Kailangan alaga. Kailangan wag nating papakawalan. Kaya importante po, kahit anong negosyo yung hawak natin, we have to make sure na lahat ng members natin, lahat ng mga customers natin, especially yung pala, merong mga repeat orders, merong kang record. Hindi pwedeng susulat mo lang na nakahiwalay, no? Minsan sinusulat po sa napkin. Minsan sa isang sheet of paper. Wag yung gagawin yan, please. Ang gawin niyo po, ilagay niyo po sa isang logbook, sa inyong notebook, para ma-maintain yung strong customer ties. No? Yan po ang Customer Relationship Management or CRM. Okay, I've been doing that for so many years since my Pacific Internet days, no? Nagsimula yan, telco days ko. Grabe ang CRM natin diyan. Na-win back namin ang customers. No, kapag kami na-encounter na hindi siya happy, hindi siya satisfied sa treatment sa kanya, nung upline niya, ng business partner niya, talagang we tried our best, no, na ma-win back siya. That's the secret, one of the secrets, no, to have a successful business. Okay? So, of course, no, you have to build goodwill and increase the value of your business. Your customers will remain loyal to your business. You'll attract new customers with good word of mouth. Yun yung sinasabi natin kanina. Walang tatalo po sa power ng word of mouth. That's why here in LLIC, we make it a point to communicate with you, whether face-to-face, online, o kaya minsan dito sa mga malalaking events natin. We do have our LLIC monthly recognition, we have our sizzle day, we have our centering day, we have our mga most awaited, no? Motivational speeches, training na ginagawa ng mga BOEs natin, and together with our GUB directors and mga new teams. And we also recognize our clients clients who join our mga promos. Like ito, 'di ba? Yung ginawa natin ng Valentine's. 'Di ba? Nanalo sila Sir Joseph Bermudo and si Ma'am Rosita Gumbok, nag-date sila. Ayan, abangan niyo yung video no nung mga date na 'yan. I think may family date din na nangyari kasi ang ganda naman ng prize nila. Nagulat sila sa kanilang cash prize. And of course, we have our dear STM supervisors, diba? Conducting every week our Luluran product knowledge presentation. And that's how we should maintain our customer relationship management or CRM. Okay? So, with that, nakahinga ako bigla ron. With that, I would like to reiterate to each one of you, our dear LLIC distributors, to keep moving, to be always on the go. No, pagising mo pa lang sa umaga, thank you, Lord. Yes, I am on the go because of you, Lord. You will give me power. You will give me the strength I need for today because I'll be facing different types of people, different types of challenges and trials. Okay, but the one important thing is that you are ready. And another important thing is that you believe. You believe in yourself that you can set the trend, that you are a trendsetter, that you are very willing to face all the challenges out there. Why? Because you are offering a great opportunity, a great business opportunity here in LLIC. To God be all the glory. Maraming maraming salamat, dear LLIC distributors. And in behalf of Ma'am Ana, our VP for Operations, nagawa na po natin. Thank you. God bless us all. Back to you, Jay.